You have been doing this wrong for your whole life, but today I'm going to show you how to finally earn money online without investing in the right way. No scams, no special skills needed, just 5 legit websites where you can start earning money online today. And the best part, you won't spend a single dollar to get started. Whether you are looking to make a little side cash or build something bigger, these platforms are perfect if you want to earn money online without investing from anywhere in the world. So if you are tired of clicking fake links and watching empty promises, hit that like button, subscribe and stay tuned because we are diving into the top 5 websites to earn money online without investing, and they actually work. And most importantly, make sure to watch the video to the end because the last website is absolutely amazing and you can make up to $100 per hour. Alright, the first website is called Social Sales Rep, and I will leave the link in the description below so that you can check it out. And this website, you can apply it in wherever country you are, even if you are in the third world countries. So the next step is to scroll down here and make sure to complete this survey. How much do you want to earn? Let me say, for example, I want to earn 300 to 700 per week. Click there and they will ask you what type of device do you have access to. Obviously, if you have desktop computer, then you click there. If you have laptop computer, if you have a mobile or a laptop, you can work on wherever device you have. Obviously, I have a laptop. Click there. Do you have a social media? If you have a social media, then click on there. If you don't have a social media, then click no. Let me click like I don't have a social media. Alright, they are saying now, based on your answers, are best suited to live chat assistance. So guys, you are going to be making $25 to $35 per hour. Now let's do the math here. If you are earning $35 per hour, let's say that you do this for 5 hours times 5 is equal. So guys, you are going to be earning $175 per 5 hours. So let's complete here. The next step is to click here, get started, and the next step is to put your name. My name is Brian, and the next step is you put your website here. Let me just put a random website here. Let me put this and click get started. Alright, you are going to get started like now. So as you can see here, for me, my country where I am, I'm in Turkey right now, and you can do this on wherever any country you are. So the next step is you need to scroll down and scroll down. So guys, you need to pay $1 to get started, but the monthly fee you need to pay roughly $100 when you are using this platform. So what you are going to do is this: you are going to pay this $1 for 1 day and have access to everything so that you can start working. If you are getting paid $35 per hour, which means if you work for 5 hours, you can get paid $175. So if you get paid $175 in 1 day, which means you can be affording to pay the $99 every month. So this one is just for every month, but you can be making more. If you are working for 5 hours, those 5 hours, and you are getting paid $175, so which means if you times that 175 hours for 30 days, that will be a lot of money, guys. So that will be like in $4,000 every single month. And if you are able to make $4,000 I don't believe that you cannot afford to pay the $100 for 1 month. The next website here is called Write App Reviews. So what this app does is you go and write review about the app, and you'll be getting paid $25 to $35 per hour just writing reviews. The next step you are going to do, you need to have an account with these guys. So next step, you need to click here and you need to get started. Put in your name, Brian, put in your email here and put this and click get started. And boom, you have to answer these questions. Personal details, what country do you live in? Obviously you need to put your country here, and how many hours are you available to work per week? Obviously you answer there. And do you have a reliable internet connection? Obviously yes. Social media, what type of mobile device or a table do you have? You can obviously do whatever you have. And how many hours a week do you spend using your phone? You can pick how many hours, 6 or 1 hour, I don't know, whatever you want. After clicking OK, they will bring you to this website here. As you can see here, you have been approved. We can hold a spot for roughly 1 hour. Then you need more apps. We need more paid apps tester from Turkey. So you will follow the guides. These guys, they can teach you to do how you can do everything so that you can be successful and you will be making any amount of money. And the next app here is called Social Media Jobs, and I will also leave the link in the description below so that you can check it out. Now with these guys, obviously you'll be earning the same amount of money, $25 to $50 here, and $50 per hour. No experience is required at work. Next step you have to do is to click start the quiz. So what type of job are you looking for? I want a job that I can do from home. Obviously I want a job in an office. Obviously we don't want that one, we need to earn from home. Click there. And what is your favorite social media? Obviously Facebook. You can pick any of your favorite social media. Let me keep YouTube. And how much do you want to earn? Obviously you can pick here whatever amount of money you want to earn per week. Obviously I want to earn, if you want to earn $1,000 per week, which means you will have a full-time income, obviously. Okay, or if you want a part-time job, you get paid $300 to $700. Like this will be my side hustle, $100 to $300 per week. Obviously you can select any one thing you want here. Then let me click here, for example, and on which device do you mostly use on social media? Obviously phone, if you're phone, but social media is always using phone. But obviously for me, I always use laptop. And yeah, do you have a reliable internet? Obviously yes. You are going to be earning $175 per day posting YouTube comments. You are going to be posting YouTube comments in order to earn $175 per day. This is simple. And $175 per day replying to comments. Only replying to comments, and you get paid $175 per day. That's amazing and mind-blowing. So guys, I highly recommend to use this website, and also I will leave the link in the description below so that if you can check it out. And my number one recommendation is to pick one website that is best for you. Just pick one, only pick one, and work with one, because if you try to sign up for all websites and just try to be working for all websites, things will not go well for you, because you need to focus. And after you get experience in what you are doing, you really know what you are doing, then you can decide to get another website or to go into another website and start doing the same when you already have experience and when you have made some money. So the same thing here, you click get started and make sure to register, put in your details, and boom, you will have access to this website and you start making money as soon as possible. The next website here is called Paid Jobs. This website here, you're supposed to finish a quiz. Click here if you are a man, click here if you are a woman or a lady, click there. Obviously I'm a man, I click there. You have to complete this survey. Obviously I'm on this category here, click here. Obviously how much do you want to earn per hour? Here you can choose how much you want to earn. Obviously I want to earn $50 plus, and here they are asking how would you describe your financial situation. So you can select anything, whatever here, whatever suits you. Let me select that here. Then what's the device you always use? Obviously it's a laptop for me. If you are for you, if, for me I always use a laptop. For you, I don't know what you use, but if you are using a laptop, then it's okay. If you are using a tablet, then go ahead and click on the tablet. If you are using a phone, then you know what to do. And the next part here is have a reliable internet connection. Obviously yes, I click there. And what's your goal here? Obviously what's your goal here? Find a full-time job, find a side hustle, or work a part-time or others. You can obviously select anything you want here. Let me say like I want a side hustle. What is your availability here? Obviously if you want to work night, if you want to work any hour, if you want to work your 9 to 5, obviously you can select this here, anything that's good for you. Let me say I select there. Do you have a current job? You can pick here. Obviously you can say yes. You can say yes, and here they will bring for you people who have earned money doing the same what you want to do. Jennifer earned her first $800 after 1 week for starting her AI job. Click continue. Alright guys, you will have to continue this survey because I don't want to make this video long. And let's go to the most interesting part here, the next website, or the last website, which is number 5 here. And I will also leave the link in the description below to check out to this website and see if it can work for you. You can apply the exact way we have been applying to the first website. There's no need for me to go and apply for this. You can do the exact thing with the way we have been doing it for the first website, and you get approved, and boom, you start making money. And if you are really interested in making money, I will leave the first link in the description below so that you can put on your email details. I will give you my free course on how you can make $1,000 plus every single day. And don't forget to watch the next video here. And another thing is, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to like this video. If you really think that this video gives value, hit that like button. It means a lot to me.